We have a serious case of baby hiccups. Grace is 7 weeks old today. Baby hiccups. We love to rattle. We love to rattle. Can you say hi? Mwah! It's hard to talk when you have the hiccups. Ah! Stinks having the hiccups. We hate the hiccups. We hate the hiccups. Ooh, thunderstorm outside. Gotta show the dog. Like he's being so good. What a good boy. Yes, we love him. Not as much as we loved the baby though. Right, Grace? Don't tell your brother. Hiccup, hiccup. Ah, now for the mean toy. Now for the scary toy. Ooh, that's scary. Ah, we hate that toy. We hate that toy. Now for the fun snake. Whee! That's so fun. Uh-oh, it's in your nose. It's in your nose. Oh no! It's in your ear. Get it, it's in your ear. Oh no! It's in your other ear. Oh no! It's on your head. Oh no! Get it, get it. Oh no! Oh no! You got it. You got it. Thank God. Thank goodness. There we go. Best friends. Uh-oh. Mwah. Yeah. All right, say goodbye.